Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add 5 photos and 1 video. Select Format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. First write your name. Apply text till the end of first photo. Leave some space in the beginning. Now write your age at little far from the starting of first text. And place it below first text. Apply this text till the end of first photo. Now start third text at little far from starting of second text. Put flag of your country. Apply text till the end of first photo. Now write your height at little far from starting of third text. And apply text till the end of first photo. Now write your zodiac sign or symbol at little far from starting of fourth text. And apply text till the end of first photo. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.